Welcome to lesson 2 of our English learning series. In lesson 1, we learn the English alphabet and pronunciation. Today, we'll move on a step forward and learn 100 common English words that we use every single day. We'll learn the pronunciation and meaning of each word with example. So get ready, let's begin our English journey. Section 1, Daily Nouns. Word 1, apple, a fruit we eat. Example, I like to eat an apple every day. Apple, fruit we eat. Ball, a round toy. Book, we read a book. Chair, we sit on a chair. Table, we eat at a table. Pen, we write with a pen. Bag, we carry things in a bag. Door, open the door. Window, look through the window. Phone, talk on the phone. Car, a vehicle. Bus, public transport. House, where we live. School, a place to learn. Teacher, a person who teach. Student, a person who learn. Water, we drink water. Food, we eat food. Bed, we sleep on a bed. Cloth, we wear clothes. Great! You learn 20 everyday nouns. Let's move on the next part. Section 2, common verbs. Word 21, go, to move from one place to another. Example, I go to school every day. Go, move for one place to another. Come, to arrive somewhere. Eat, to take food. Drink, to take water or any liquid. Sleep, to rest at night. Sit, to take a seat. Stand, to be on your feet. Read, to look at words and understand them. Write, to make words on paper. Speak, to say words. Listen, to hear carefully. See, to look with your eyes. Play, to enjoy games. Run, to move fast. Work, to do a job. Study, to learn something. Cook, to prepare food. Clean, to make something neat. Wash, to use water and soap. Smile, to show happiness. Excellent. Verbs help you make sentence. Now let's learn some adjective word that describe things. Section 3, adjective. Big, not small. Example, it's a big house. Small, teeny. Example, this is a small bag. Beautiful, nice to look at. Example, a beautiful flower. Good, opposite of bad. Bad, opposite of good. Happy, feeling joy. Sad, not happy. Hot, high temperature. Cold, low temperature. Easy, not difficult. Good job. Adjective make your sentence more colorful. Now let's learn pronouns. Words we use instead of names. Section 4, pronouns helping words. I am a student. You are my friend. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a cat. We are happy. They are a student. This is my book. That is a car. These are apples. Those are trees. Pronouns help us avoid repeating names again and again. Section 5, mini practice sentence. Let's practice using some of today's words in short sentence. I have a book. You play with a ball. She likes apples. She goes to school. We drink water. They are happy. This is a big house. That is my bag. The teacher is kind. I smile every day. Section 6, quick quiz. Let's test your memory. What word means a place to learn? School. Which word means to move fast? Run. What's the opposite of cold? Hot. Which pronoun replace John and I? We got job. Fantastic work. Today you learned over 60 useful English words with pronunciation, meaning, and examples. Practice these words every day and we'll start understanding simple English sentence soon. In the next lesson, we'll learn daily English sentence for real conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lesson. See you in lesson 3. Goodbye.